I have pictures of this SuperBee from 20 years ago sitting. Okay, I'm back at my old stomping grounds. 20 years ago I was here. Actually, I was at the other property, but I'll show that later. And I have pictures of this SuperBee from 20 years ago sitting. And I was out here for 2 years, and then I moved back to another college, and then I came back every few years, but they moved it over here, and it's a real 70 Roadrunner 3D3 automatic on the column post car. It's a white car, a real white car, blue interior. I don't know if you can see that. Blue bench seat. But it's a legitimate 70 SuperBee. And like I said, it's been sitting for over 20 years, because I think one of the guys here said that it had been sitting as long as he's known it, and it's been almost 40 years. So 33 3-speed wiper, and then manual drum brakes. You know, for sitting so long, it's not that bad. Unfortunately, there's no rear axle under it, but he has one for it now, and so he'll put it together. He said soon. And then right there is a 73 Charger SE. Another one that used to be over at the other property. And I'll show pictures of these cars at the end of the video, showing where they were and where they are now. I will walk out here. Another Charger sitting here, 73 I think he said earlier. And that's a farm field right there. And let's see what else we got here. Old van, hearse, Dodge truck. Not much really. And here in the edge of the farmyard, this is a 73 or 4 Dodge Charger, automatic on the column. Plain Jane bare bones car, nothing too special. But you can see it's had a hard life, to say the least. This is the very first picture I took of the SuperBee back in 2004. Every time I'd go over there, I'd grab another picture of it. And unfortunately, not long after this, I moved away from the area and would only be able to visit every few years. This time, it was the biggest jump. I haven't been back since 2010, which is when these pictures were taken. And I was very pleasantly surprised to see that he had cleaned up this property, which I'll show in a different video, and moved the SuperBee closer to the shop so he can actually start working on it now that his shop has been expanded. He has people working for him. So I don't doubt that this car will get up and running here in the near future, now that he's got a few of the other bigger projects out of the way, like his 70 Superbird that he just finished restoring. Hey everyone. Hope you enjoyed that video on the 70 SuperBee and the few 3rd gen Chargers. It was really neat to see them after so long. Like I said, I had been following those cars for at least 20 years, and it was really neat to see that something had happened with them in that time. And I did see the rear end that the guy's going to put underneath the SuperBee, and he has an engine for it. So hopefully the next time I update you on that car, it'll be a running driving vehicle, because I believe he's just going to get mechanically worked out and leave the body and the interior basically original, other than a change of the steering wheel. But don't forget, I drop a new video every Monday, so keep coming back. I'm on my way to the Belvedere Mopar happening in Belvedere, Illinois this weekend. Hope to see you guys there. Otherwise, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.